Welcome to our channel. If you need to remove spam messages from Instagram, follow these step-by-step instructions to protect your account and maintain a clean inbox. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap the messenger icon in the top right corner to access your direct messages. Step 2. Locate the spam message you want to remove from your message requests or main inbox. Step 3. If the message is in your message requests folder, tap on it to open the conversation. Step 4. Tap Delete at the bottom of the screen to remove the message request completely. Step 5. For messages in your main inbox, swipe left on the conversation and tap Delete. Step 6. Instagram will ask you to confirm the deletion. Tap Delete again to permanently remove the conversation. Step 7. If you want to report the spam sender, tap on the username at the top of the conversation. Step 8. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Report. Step 9. Choose the appropriate reason, such as spam or scam, and follow the prompts to submit your report. Step 10. Consider enabling message filtering in Instagram settings to automatically move spam messages to your message requests folder. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.